The plate cutter is a versatile attachment designed to work with drills or screwdrivers, enabling accurate sheet metal cutting. Its primary component secures firmly into the chuck, while an auxiliary attachment stabilizes the tool by connecting to the handle, reducing vibrations and improving control. This design ensures smooth, clean cuts without sharp edges or burrs, making it suitable for various metals such as copper, galvanized steel, and aluminum. Crafted from a lightweight yet robust alloy, the cutter is resistant to corrosion and ensures safe operation. The package includes all necessary mounting keys, a handle, and fasteners, ensuring compatibility with any standard drill or screwdriver. This tool provides an efficient and reliable solution for precise metalworking tasks. The Quadsaw stripping machine is an efficient tool for removing insulation from wires with diameters ranging from 0.6 inches to 0.98 inches. It offers dual operation modes: manual use via its smooth, gear-driven handle, or powered operation by attaching a drill for increased speed and efficiency. Constructed from high-strength cast aluminum and alloy steel, this compact machine weighs only 7.6 pounds. It features adjustable depth clamps and a durable steel blade, making it suitable for both soft and hard-sheathed wires, as well as single and stranded wire types. This reliable and portable tool is an excellent choice for a variety of wire stripping applications. The Quadsaw is an innovative drill attachment designed to effortlessly cut square and rectangular holes in drywall. Ideal for creating precise openings for outlets or ventilation, it uses 4 synchronized blades and a guiding drill to deliver clean, sharp edges. Integrated horizontal and vertical levels ensure perfect accuracy, resulting in straight, professional-grade cuts. Constructed from a mix of metal, aluminum, and plastic, the Quadsaw is both lightweight and highly effective. Its quick-attach system allows it to be easily connected to any drill, transforming it into a powerful tool for efficient and accurate drywall cutting tasks. Letti Autohammer is a specialized tool designed to simplify cable clamping tasks for electricians, eliminating the need for a traditional hand hammer. Compact and operable with one hand, it excels in tight or confined spaces where swinging a hammer is impractical. The tool's adjustable impact force ensures precision and adaptability to various material hardnesses, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the Autohammer delivers up to 500 nail strikes per charge and includes a rapid recharge system that fully restores the battery in just 40 minutes. For added convenience, it comes with a durable carrying case, allowing for organized storage and easy transport. This innovative tool is a practical and efficient solution for professional electricians seeking to streamline their workflow. The Milwaukee Electric Planer is a highly portable and precise tool, ideal for tackling small construction and woodworking tasks. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, this battery-powered planer is lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring excellent mobility. Its robust, brushless motor delivers consistent, long-lasting performance, while dual carbide blades provide a smooth, professional-grade finish. For added practicality, the tool features onboard blade storage for quick and convenient access. Designed with a built-in port, the planer allows for easy connection to a construction vacuum, helping to maintain a tidy workspace. With 21 depth adjustment settings, users can achieve precise control over surface refinement, and the tool accommodates a cutting width of 3.83 inches. Powered by Milwaukee's reliable M12 battery system, this planer is the perfect combination of versatility, precision, and portability for efficient project execution. The Trelawny Needle Scabbler is a compact yet highly effective tool designed for surface preparation on concrete and metal. It utilizes a vibration mechanism with tungsten carbide-tipped cross-shaped needles to remove rust, old paint, and debris thoroughly. This ensures a clean and uniform surface ideal for restoration and refinishing projects. Engineered for user comfort, the Scabbler maintains low vibration levels even during prolonged use. Its flexible handle allows for easy maneuvering in tight or hard-to-reach areas and can be adjusted to a linear configuration when necessary. The quick change mechanism simplifies swapping heads, enhancing operational efficiency. Additionally, the durable tungsten carbide tips are designed to maintain their sharpness, ensuring long-lasting performance. This reliable and ergonomic tool is a practical choice for professionals tackling demanding surface preparation tasks.